What's going on, everyone? So today we're going to open some stuff up. Start off with the Purple Passion. Car's already a little benty there, so pop it open. This is the new for this year, the new color. Purple Passion, designed by a series. Larry Wood design. Right there, the white tires. Nice colorful purple. White interior. Pretty cool. Awesome. Next up, this one's do have one fantasy here, the Punk Rod, Hot Wheels modified, but this is actually a pretty cool colorway on it, so I picked this one up not too long ago. Colors on this are pretty cool. Got this purple and the yellow and like the teal or whatever kind of blue that is. It's just a really cool colors on this one. So I got it, 99. Oops, dropped it. Not too bad. And then we got from the Art Car series, the DMC DeLorean. All right, this one's got cool colors on it as well. Got the T, the pink windows, black, the pink, the blue, the white. The colors just work well together. And I am dropping stuff. But this looks pretty cool. Nice. Next up, we do have a Matchbox mainline here, the 2022 Ford F-150 Lightning. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah, that's nice. Look at that. Look at that. There's matte black. Oh, yes, very nice. Very nice truck. Very cool. Then next, I have the mainline 87 Audi Quattro. And then if you're someone that regularly watches my stuff, or if you at least caught a video from early December, you know that I found the super treasure hunt of this at Target, which I do have sitting here with me at the table, so you can see the side by side. There we go. See a little bit of the color difference there. And of course, the difference in the wheels as well. So there you have that. Boom. Then next we will get to Fast and Furious Hot Wheel Land Rover Defender 110 from the most recent set that's on the shelves now. From Fate of the Furious. Alright. It's alright. But no back windows, just blacked out. Do have a license plate there. F and F 110. Defender on the other side there. It's all blacked out. Just got the front right there. Land Rover across right there. It's alright. There you have that. And then next up, also from that same wave, we got the McLaren Senna. There I go, dropping stuff again. So I didn't really do too much to it. All right, we got the clear roof on there, so you can see the interior right through the roof of the car. Got the McLaren logo up front there. Headlights. Got the tail lights on the back there, along the right there. Metal wing. All right. See it roll. Ooh, that is smooth. Smooth rolling. So it is on those slicks. So a nice smooth roll. And got two more to get into. Let's get the from Matchbox Collectors. We have the 73 Mazda Savannah RX-3. Alright. Ooh. Not sure. This looks like this might be a metal base on here. It does have a little weight to it. Nice. Right-hand drive. Got all the racing deco stuff on there. Cool. And this one's not going to have any opening component on it, but this does look and feel to be a metal base on here. Maybe. Not 100% on that, but it does feel weighty. Yeah, I did believe this is a metal base on this one. Cool. Pretty smooth roller as well. Nice. This one's definitely very cool. Very cool one. Awesome. Definitely love that one. And last, for the new wave for this year for the Matchbox Collectors, 78 Ford Bronco. And this one I do believe has opening hood because this was first came out in a moving parts line. Oh, yep, there it is. Got the opening hood. Cool. This one's definitely plastic base. It's pretty light, so yeah, it's definitely got a metal base. Comparing the weights of these, yeah. Then yeah, you can see looking at those, see the difference. So RX-3 here, metal base. This one's got the plastic base, but does have the opening part. It opens up. The headlights. Tail lights on the back there. Of course, you know, Matchbox Collectors gonna have the rubber tires. Let's get the rubber tires as well. A little bit of a noise maker on that one. This nice paint job on that. But I would say one of my favorites from this opening is definitely the RX-3 here. Matchbox Collectors. And then this Matchbox truck. Yeah, I'd say these are two favorite ones out of there. So anyways, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.